With only 3 days until the first day of school for some districts, the Alabama Department of Public Health held a last-minute training session. The training explained in greater detail how to respond to a coronavirus outbreak and other suggestions on how to reduce the spread in schools. WAAY 31's Casey Albritton joins us live at the Morgan County School Board of Education with what local school districts say they learned. Casey.
School leaders say the training went over information that they were already planning for, but there are a few adjustments that need to be made, including making seating charts for students and creating isolation rooms in schools.
I wouldn't say that everybody's 100% ready right now, but that's what we're doing, and we are in the process.
Morgan County Schools head nurse Brenda Cottle says there was one main focus in the statewide training on Tuesday.
Zeroing in on, when someone tests positive, when someone gets sick and that kind of thing.
Cottle, as well as Limestone and Jackson County school superintendents, say they started planning months ago.
I think we'll be as ready as we can be. I absolutely do.
The Alabama Department of Public Health stated in the training if a student or staff member shows signs of coronavirus, they will be isolated in a designated room and then sent home to get tested. If they test positive, a school nurse will help identify who came in contact with that person, and then they will be isolated and sent home to quarantine for 14 days. But specifically leaves out instruction on when to close a classroom or school. The more than 80-page document called that a local decision. The superintendent told me Tuesday's meeting showed there's still more to be done.
We're currently looking at adding some additional health care individuals.
We are looking at hiring a roving nurse.
Superintendent of Limestone County Schools Randy Sherhouse says teachers still need to create seating charts before Friday.
They can certainly determine, how much distancing they can have between students, and we'll know exactly what students are going to have in their class.
Morgan County Schools is still working on some isolation rooms, but says that will be done in the next few days.
Are we going to be able to say 100% that there will never be a case, of COVID? That's not possible. But can we say that we have done everything that we can do to decrease the spread?
Cottle says that school nurses will be coming together tomorrow to review the information from the training. Reporting live in Morgan County, Casey Albritton, WAAY 31 News.
Thanks, Casey. The Limestone County, some parents who decided to go with the virtual learning option for their children are upset and confused by an update to the plan.